I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see.
It looks something like this.
Hello, my name is Justin Fleming.
Hi, I'm Angel Hill.
My name is Angelina James.
Hi, I'm Rosa Andrews.
Our project is called Knowledge Portal. What it specifically is, it's a Q&A forum for Coder Camps.
They brought it to us and said, hey, would you like to do this for us?
We all looked around at each other and we really fell in love with it because we kind of wish we had this as we were going through, to have someone to actually ask and talk to other people besides just waiting for the help or an instructor. We can actually just talk to other students.
So the idea came about by having a need here at Coder Camps of wanting a good source of information for students.
For any situations where you can't always get in touch with a mentor or an instructor.
So students can get the most accurate answers for their questions without having to scour their web.
And especially for the online, they can go in there and get more help that way because they're not in class with us. They can't just hit the person next to them and say, hey, help me with this.
I'd go to this instead of going to Stack Overflow, just because with Stack Overflow, you don't know who's answering.
You know these are your peers. These are people who have already gone through Coder Camps or are going through Coder Camps or work at Coder Camps, where the other one is just the entire world.
You don't know if it's applicable. You don't know if it's, the correct information, the correct language, because if you're new, you don't know what you're looking for.
So by using this form, I can go to the specific language I'm looking for and then find it that way.
Schools can take this and they can base it on their actual curriculum so that other students in there can actually ask questions, because when you're in a classroom you don't really ask questions, you're like kind of a little scared. Here it's kind of anonymous, you can kind of ask more questions here and get the feedback from your class.
The challenges that we faced was having the microservices communicate with the front end, because they're all built in separate servers on the back end.
We had like 5 different projects, like hey, what goes here, what goes there, and how to link them all in the first one, because if something broke, we're like, which project did we just break,
So I think the challenges were to learn to use that while at the same time trying to combine our efforts.
We have so many ideas and ways of doing it, but what we didn't realize is what we thought would take longer was actually an hour, and what we thought wouldn't take as long was actually a lot longer.
That was one of the big problems, and then getting everything just fine-tuned and tweaked correctly with full functionality.
After everything, learning how to work together as well as learning the basic structure of the project and also getting it done.
I just really am happy overall with everything, so that students have a voice now and they can go somewhere and help each other.
The thing I enjoy the most is that it's going to be there to help future students once it goes live.
I can't wait to see students use it and their feedback and how it actually helps them and makes a difference.
All of us coming together, I feel we came up with something that I'm happy to show everyone.